Here's a list of 40 simple daily use phrases and their advanced versions to elevate your vocabulary. Greetings and introductions. 1. How are you? How have you been doing lately? 2. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. 3. See you later. I look forward to catching up with you soon. 4. Take care. Wishing you all the best. Expressing opinions. 5. I think it's a good idea. In my opinion, it's a commendable approach. 6. I like it. I find it quite appealing. 7. I don't agree. I beg to differ. 8. That's interesting. That's a fascinating perspective. Making requests. 9. Can you help me? Would you mind assisting me? 10. Please wait. Could you kindly hold on for a moment? 11. Can you explain that? Could you elaborate on that? 12. Tell me more. I'd appreciate it if you could provide more details. Expressing gratitude. 13. Thank you. I'm truly grateful. 14. Thanks a lot. I sincerely appreciate it. 15. I owe you one. I'm indebted to you. 16. That's very kind of you. I deeply appreciate your thoughtfulness. Apologizing. 17. I'm sorry. I sincerely apologize. 18. My bad. I take full responsibility for that. 19. Sorry for being late. I apologize for the delay. 20. I didn't mean to. It wasn't my intention. Giving compliments. 21. You're good at this. Your expertise in this is truly impressive. 22. You look nice. You look absolutely stunning. 23. That's a great idea. That's an exceptionally insightful suggestion. 24. Well done. That's a commendable achievement. Expressing emotions. 25. I'm happy. I'm overjoyed. 26. I'm tired. I'm completely exhausted. 27. I'm worried. I'm feeling quite apprehensive. 28. I'm excited. I'm absolutely thrilled. Describing situations. 29. It's easy. It's straightforward. 30. It's hard. It's quite challenging. 31. It's not working. It seems to be malfunctioning. 32. It's amazing. It's absolutely extraordinary. Everyday conversations. 33. Let's start. Shall we commence? 34. I'm busy. I'm swamped with work. 35. I'm hungry. I'm absolutely famished. 36. Let's go. Shall we proceed? Ending conversations. 37. Bye. Farewell. 38. Let's talk later. I'll reconnect with you at a later time. 39. I'll be right back. I'll return momentarily. 40. Let me know. Kindly keep me informed. Using advanced versions of these phrases can make your speech more polished and professional in various settings. Let me know if you'd like more examples or tips.